As per given figures, two springs of spring constants K and 2K are connected to mass M. If the period of oscillation in figure A is 3 seconds, then the period of oscillation in figure B will be square root of x seconds. The value of x is. These are the given diagrams. In first diagram, the given two springs are connected in series. And in second figure, these two springs are connected in parallel. We have to find out the value of x. When two springs are connected in series, the effective spring constant is equals to K1 K2 by K1 plus K2. Given K1 is K and K2 is equals to 2K. Substitute here. K into 2K by K plus 2K becomes to 3K. 1K get cancelled. 2K by 3. This is the effective spring constant when springs are connected in series. Now when springs are connected in parallel, it is the sum of the spring constants. K plus 2K is equals to 3K. Time period formula T is equals to 2 pi square root of M by effective spring constant. Directly take T1 by T2. T1 is the time period when the springs are connected in series and T2 when the springs are connected in parallel. 2 pi square root of mass is constant in two figures. Same mass is connected. In place of K effective, substitute 2K by 3 by 2 pi into square root of M by 3K. 2 pi get cancelled. In first figure, time period is equals to 3 seconds. And for the second, time period is equals to square root of x seconds. Square root of M by 2K by 3 becomes to reciprocal. So, 3M by 2K into 3K by M. Mass get cancelled. K also get cancelled. Square root of 9 is equals to 3. 3 by square root of x is equals to 3 by root 2. 3 get cancelled. Square root of x equals to square root of 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. The value of x is 2.